how to delete your Hero Wars account permanently. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you ever want to delete your Hero Wars account permanently, then follow through the steps. First of all, make sure that deleting your account is permanent and all heroes, items and progress will be lost if you proceed to delete your account. So, in order to first remove your account, go ahead and open up your Hero Wars application on your device, and once you're inside this lobby screen, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top right corner. This will open up settings menu. From the settings tab, scroll down and look for this delete my account and all my data from game servers option. Tap on open right next to it, and then it'll take you to a new page where you can go ahead and follow through the instructions, go ahead and read through the info given and click on I have read and understood at the bottom, and then go ahead and enter a reason for the deletion and finally click on confirm. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to send your deletion request to the Hero Wars support team and your account will be deleted. So that's it, there you have it, that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.